Economic abuse is one of the means of control and manipulation that is not physical violence. So it can be a very effective way of controlling the victim, and the perpetrator does not have to lift a finger to injure the victim in any way. So again, a method that can be successfully used to control a victim without any physical violence having taken place. Economic or financial abuse can happen in a number of ways. Probably most commonly, it occurs where the perpetrator is the main breadwinner and the perpetrator refuses to make funds available for the very basic needs of the victim. So, food, medical care, transport to medical care. Sometimes this also extends to not providing for the children, so not giving money for school fees or food or essentials for the children, or if the couple are apart, it could be about not paying maintenance. So that is where the perpetrator is the main breadwinner. Sometimes, however, because remember we've said that a lot of the time the victim is educated and does have a job and is financially secure. So it's not always the case that the perpetrator is the breadwinner. But what often happens where the victim is earning an income in this situation of financial abuse is that the perpetrator can gradually convince the victim to give over control of the finances to the perpetrator. And then, that can go from your salary to shares in your business to owning a home, any number of different things. And then they now have control over the victim's finances, which will make it very difficult for a victim to leave if they choose to do so. Part of this kind of abuse entails the perpetrator wanting a very specific, very detailed list of how the money is spent with a very strict budget, and if there's any deviation, then there will be some form of punishment that is meted out to the victim. So there are many ways in which financial and economic abuse can manifest.